Got a 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Doing the inspection. Tires look good. Customer states the check engine light's on and it runs rough. I guess they had it at AutoZone, and they told them that it had a misfire on number 2. Brakes look pretty good in the front. I verified the misfire is on number 2. I moved the coil from number 2 to number 4, and the misfire moved. It does have a aftermarket coil on the number 4 spark, or number 2 that it was on there. Now it's on number 4. It said Duralast. Most likely the coil has just failed. Checking all the brakes. Brakes look really good. Tires are all nearly brand new. All the glass looks good. No excessive damage. Quite a few scratches on the south side of the vehicle, but nothing that a Jeep isn't normal for. Still looks in good shape. Seems to run okay other than the misfire. Oil level is full and clean, so that's a good sign. I've been maintaining it correctly. Coolant level is full. Washer fluid's full. Didn't see any excessive varnish or anything like that on the throttle body, so I believe that's all in pretty good condition and clean. There's a little dirt in there and cruddy, but it's not too bad. I think it'll be okay. I'm going to recommend a coil. Spark plug looked really good, so I don't think there's a compression issue. I think we just got a bad coil. All right, so we're back. I'm sorry about the screen. There we go. Cleared up. Misfires are all gone. Replaced that number 2 coil, and everything looks good. Little Jeep runs fantastic. So I appreciate you watching. Thanks for oh, that's interesting. Did I lose connection? I guess I did. Interesting. So anyway, like I was saying, please like, subscribe, and comment. I always like to hear everybody's comments, if there are any. The good, the bad, the ugly, I don't care. I just want to make this channel better. So if you've got comments or criticism, I'm perfectly fine with that. So y'all take care and have a blessed day.